guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is another CSX horn. This is a Leslie RS5T. So my first Leslie RS5T in CSX paint. So really excited about this one. This horn is of course RRO, which means you have the 44 and the 55 running in reverse. With an RS5T, you do have a 25, you have a 31, the 37, then the 44, 55. So these heads, RS, spike back chambers. These are Parsippany heads, not Tampa. So with the tag, there's actually, I can't see the date stamp on this horn because the railroad paint's pretty thick down there. It's covered up. So the type of the tag with the Parsippany heads, that dates this horn around 79 to 85, somewhere in there, 1979 to 1985. So somewhere in there. After 85, you had Tampa heads, the transition. So no newer than 85, no older than 79. So that's kind of the age. So really cool horn. Keep in mind in the video, it is RRO. So really in the run-bys, when it's coming at you, you're hearing the 25, the 31, and the 37. It almost kind of sounds like an RS3L, to be honest. Of course, when it passes, you can really hear the 44 and the 55, but that's just because it's running in reverse. I'm not going to say it's 100% power there. These may need to be cleaned out a little, but these are all paint sealed. So I really hate to break the paint, so I'm okay with how it is. You could probably take these apart, clean them up real good, and this horn would be 100%, which it's really close to 100% right now. It does sound really good. So anyway, cool horn. Another RS5T for the collection. This horn actually, I say I'm excited about it. I am excited about it, but I do have an interested party in it. So this may sell just so I can acquire some of these other ship horns that I'm trying to get. Because as you know, I've been transitioning the collection, I guess mixing in ship horns with these train horns. So I've been moving a lot of stuff around. So this may be one that I end up moving, not sure yet. But anyway, y'all enjoy this. This is the Leslie CSX RS5T.